I'm gonna share with you some of the plants that I swear by because I've really failed to kill these plants. Hi, welcome to Ukunda Home, a place where we share tricks and ideas to elevate our homes. Sometime back, I did talk about that I'm gonna share house plants. Plants bring freshness into a space. And as someone who travels, like I can travel for 1 month, sometimes 5 months, and I'm not even particular that sometimes I'm forgetful to give them water. But these plants have really kept going, even when I don't really care for them and I've failed to kill them. So if you're someone that is really busy all the time, you're always traveling, these are some of the plants that you should consider getting into your home. The number one on the list would be parlor palm. Hands down, this is one of my best. It can grow in low light conditions and it can be in the darkest corners of your office or home, and it's good. If you want a larger plant that is safe for kids, safe for dogs, safe for cats, go for a palm. Like this one you see behind me here. This tropical low maintenance plant is for people who are busy and it's less high maintenance. It requires sunlight but low sunlight, not direct sunlight, so don't put it in the sun, it will dry up. I've done that mistake before. I got my plant, I put it in the sun, I thought, oh my god, like I don't know much about plants, but if I could keep these plants alive, honestly, they are really good. Next, orchids. These are my favorites too. A blooming orchid exudes serenity, making it the perfect plant for a relaxing yet stylish living space. If you're looking for that serenity into your living space, get yourself an orchid. They're easy to take care of. They originate actually from the tropical regions. At most, they are 3 feet. The blooms come in different colors. The flowers can be violet, sometimes white. They're really beautiful. So if you're looking for a plant and you're a beginner, this is a good choice too. Pothos. These are one of the easiest indoor plants to grow. They could grow up to 15 feet long and they coat thick leaves. They have this vining nature which can make it so easy to trim and keep it to the size that you would love. I think you guys have seen the one I have in this plastic thing. I can't wait to get rid of this plastic meanwhile because I hate it. Hopefully in future I'll be able to carry the African plant holders this side so that it can look great, you know. Dracaena, easy to care for and easy on the eyes, also known as a territory plant in East Africa. People use it to mark their grounds, like this is my own space. In villages, that's what it's used for, directly to show that I own this place. So it's called the territory plant. It grows very long and straight with strappy leaves that curve attractively to the stem. It can grow up to 10 feet. It grows in direct sunlight or medium, and it's really good. It adds some class into any living space. So if you're looking for a plant, it's also another option to look at. It looks amazing. If you're anything like me that forgets to water their plants, or someone that travels a lot, go get yourself the ZZ plant, which also gets its name from its botanical name. It grows dark green leaves, shiny leaves grow across each stalk, forming a tight yet catching funnel of greenery. It's a favorite of mine and any living space to bring that freshness into your space. This is a plant that you should really check out and go for if you can. And if you're anything like me that always forgets to water your plants or travels a lot, this is a plant for you because it can really survive for a long time without being watered at least. It's one of my favorites, so check it out. Rubber plants, also known for removing pollutants from the air. Most plants, of course, they claim to do that. Also known to thrive on neglect. This rubber plant needs sunlight, but no direct sunlight and not too hot. And some people recommend putting it on the window with a sheer curtain. Then you're supposed to moisture it at least once a week because sometimes when you do too much, it will also signal the leaves will start yellowing off and then falling off. To make the leaves grow back easier, you can cut a slit where the leaves have fallen off on the node so that it can grow more easily and more fast, and it prefers indirect sunlight and not so hot. African violets are the most beautiful flowering plants on the planet. I mean, for indoor plants, they are native to East Africa and tropical, and they are famous for indoor plants simply because they thrive in artificial lighting, which is great. These plants can really adjust well to warmer indoor temperatures and dry air. When growing the African violet, these plants require lots of water at least. We've just talked about the rubber plants, which don't really require lots of water, but these ones do require lots of water to thrive. Let's make sure the soil is moist or is porous enough so that the water can penetrate the roots of the plant. Spider plants, these are impossible to kill. Honestly, they are really impossible to kill. Probably one of the most low maintenance plants that you can really get yourself as a beginner. I think you've seen it. I've featured it here before. I think on Instagram probably. I'm not sure, but you could have seen it in one of the videos. One of the best ones that I've had in this home. They're also known for their ability to purify the air. They are notoriously known for being adaptable to any environment. They can grow well in hanging baskets. They look really great, like hanging plants. You can as well have it on the floor in something higher. They also look great. Another name for them is called ribbon plants, and some other names. These are a great choice for anyone who is a beginner. I do recommend them. Lastly, I'm going to talk about the Tranquil Peace lily. A peace lily would be perfect for any serene living space. If you're looking for that calmness, that tranquility into your space, try a peace lily, and they are easy to grow. And if you're someone that is always around, actually they take more moist than most plants. They require lots of water. Its glossy green pointed leaves will grow with little care and can be groomed by removing any brown leaves or leaf tips. The white flowers will bloom in the spring. Depending on the size of your plant, you can grow it as a flower plant or a tabletop plant. So it all depends on you. A lily would be perfect for any living space or even a serene bedroom. So with that all said, we've come to an end of this video. If you haven't liked the video, please do so right now. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. And also, someone did ask me if I could buy one of the items I was using to clean and send it for her, but I think that's so difficult for me. What I would do, I think I would do a whole video of some of the favorite items I've gotten recently or I've been having, and then I will link the products so that you guys can shop them for yourselves. But I haven't done that yet, but I promise I'll do that. If you're watching this later, probably that video is gonna be linked up here. So anyways, thank you for watching. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.